Determinant of CCS. CCS, cold crushing strength. Cold crushing strength, it is measurement of strength. CCS equal to force by area. We can calculate first length and breadth. We can cut brick in center. Second step, cut in center. We can use one piece. We can calculate length and breadth. Length equal to 75 mm and breadth equal to 45 mm. Area equal to length into breadth. And force, we can apply force in compression machine. Compression machine, we can this sample keep in compression machine. We can apply high pressure and high force. This sample is failure in powder form. We can continue apply high pressure. This sample is failure in grain particle and powder form. This sample is failure in powder form, which convert to a fine particle. We will continue apply in force. Continue apply force. This sample is convert in powder form. CCS equal to force by area. Force equal to force we can calculate in high compression testing machine, and the area equal to calculate in measuring scale length into breadth. Area equal to length into breadth. Length 75 mm, length 75 mm and breadth 45 mm. Area equal to length in breadth. Crushing strength, CCS. Determinant of crushing strength, effortless and raw material required. Raw material required. Effortless and raw material required. High compression machine. High compression machine. High compression machine. Sample of brick. Measuring scale. Crucible. Tape. Etc. Next theory. CCS, cold crushing strength. Cold crushing strength is a measurement of strength. There are two types of cold crushing strength. Cold crushing strength is also called compressive strength. There are two types of crushing strain, compression strain. Number one, tension strain, and number two, compression strain. CCS equal to force by area, where F equal to force and A equal to area. This is a sample of brick. Brick sample. This is a compression machine. Compression machine, force 25 kilonewton, 35 kilonewton, 50 kilonewton, 70 kilonewton. Force can apply. We can force apply in 25 kilonewton. Let we can force apply. We can force apply 25 kilonewton, and area and length equal to 75 mm, and breadth equal to only two phase. The sample is show only two phase. Number one, length and breadth. This sample is show two phase, length and breadth. Breadth equal to 35 mm. Keep in formula. Force equal to 25 kilonewton, and area equal to force into breadth, length to breadth equal to 75 into 45 equal to किलो 25 किलो यानी 25,000 75 into 45 kg per centimeter square. We can convert in mm. This length in mm we can convert in centimeter. 75 mm equal to 7.5 centimeter. 45 mm equal to 4.5 centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm. And 75 mm equal to 7.5 centimeter. 45 mm equal to 4.5 mm centimeter. kg kilogram 2500 न्यूटन 2500 न्यूटन डिवाइडेड बाय 7.5 into 4.5